Welcome. We've made a new tutorial for ArcoLinux B. We've created a tutorial for Xfce Bear, for BSPWM Bear, and I have these virtual machines anyway on my machine. And I'm gonna make a superflex video. So basically what I have, let's take a look together. What I have is just an Xfce session. This is a bare version of Xfce. Bare means stripped down to the bone, really. Not much is there. You need to install everything afterwards with your scripts, and that's it. So this is what we have on our system. Just one text developer, no browsers at all, no VLC, anything. This is just all standard stuff from Xfce or Bluetooth and things like that, and a conky, of course. But basically we have less, for instance, Ctrl-Alt-M. You'll see that there will be less icons than in the other one. Anyway, so superflex, what does that mean? It means that we have a Ctrl-Alt-G doesn't work. Chromium is not there. Ctrl-Alt-F Firefox, not installed. It's a bare version. Ctrl-Alt-V Vivaldi, new. So Ctrl-T, that's working, but no transparency, but that's because of the VirtualBox. So let's get to the internet with our browser of choice. Maybe I was going to type in Firefox. Maybe I can just say, guys, hey, there is some other browser. It's gonna take a little bit to build, but let's get Brave Bin in, for instance. Maybe a browser for you to take a look at. And we'll get our cheat sheet, because if we are working and talking about superflex, I'll always go to arcolinux.info, and there's a download button up there, and it has a cheat sheet, and we'll keep updating it. You'll see it will get a new version from time to time. So we definitely want people to start realizing that anything is possible. You can have an ISO, well, not an ISO, an PC, a computer, an SSD with 15 desktops if you want to, right? I don't say it's ideal, that's something else. But if you want to learn and you want to choose between desktops, why not use superflex and then try it out and say, okay, this is something for me. I'm gonna use ArcoLinux B deeping, for instance, just 100%. And then you've chosen. So we have here this Brave access the internet, it says. That's definitely what I want to do. And then some text, maybe you can have a look at, import and all that. Let's do some next things so you see what's going on. All these things that you can set, but fine. Now where I want to go to arcolinux.info, and then downloads, download documents, cheat sheet, download, save. It's version 1.5. but I definitely need to change it on the PDF. I see in the Excel downloads. So 1.5 it says. This is a bare version, right? So I need to install something to open it. I'm wondering actually, let's see, Brave, where are you? Let's see if Brave can open it for me. Great. Otherwise I'll install Events or something else, right? So we are on Xfce. Then it's up to you. What do you want to install from the other 15 or 14? Right? We have 15 desktops. Xfce is here, so 14 more. And it's up to you to decide, hey, what I like to test out. Maybe you like to test out lxqt, which I don't think I've made a video about. So it says just here, install lxqt, and it's rather minimal. You need this, you need that, and it's done, right? These are, you can install those, but just one. So we can't install that one. Well, I think we can, Eric. Well, let's see, let's try. If you get errors, you know you can't. As simple as that. But lxqt. Let's go for that one. F12, it's not working. Xfce terminal, right? Ctrl-T, so needs on a bare version like this one, Xfce bare, you need to install everything else, right? It's a little bit, well, stripped to the bone. Sudo pacman What was I going to install? lxqt. We need this one. No operation. Completely forgot my -s. And we got this bunch in. And you see indeed there is a word that should be ringing a bell there. Number 17, open box. It's getting open box in to get lxqt. That's interesting knowledge. Okay. And then, okay, what was it again? The other one? That's why it's called a cheat sheet, right? So ArcoLinux lxqt git one. So this one. That's the one I need as well. Definitely. Sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux lxqt. And those are the guys we can have. There are more things in there. You see there is more possible, but try it like this and see what you get. You see etc scal. So I need to do my scal, right? So that's done. If you see this line, you type in scal. Of course, go read what scal does. That's not part of this video right now. We're gonna log out. And obviously in here we'll have lxqt. Sometimes we need to reboot to get it there, and this time we don't. So it's quite okay. When it doesn't show up, you reboot. And this is what we get. And of course it's not looking the same as we've created, right? It's gonna be a little bit different because we've done quite some theming on our ArcoLinux B ISOs. But nevertheless, it is lxqt, it's gonna work, and it has open this Q terminal, a special terminal for this desktop, and so on, and so on, and so on. So you can take a look at all the possible settings that this desktop provides you. And there you go, we have a superflex video.